Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing out there? I just got back from BJ's doing some family shopping for the family here at the house. I also stopped at the Legacy Place in Norwood and I picked up some beautiful pepper and lemon chicken wings. And over here I have a kale salad with tomatoes, croutons, little cheese, white raisins, and I also have some. Let me see what else is in here in the salad. These are trying to figure out what do you call these here, Brussels sprouts. I also have some Brussels sprouts here in the salad. I don't know if you guys can see it very clearly. So it's a Brussels sprouts. It's a Caesar salad with tomatoes, white um, raisins. Over here, I have the sweet potatoes, and I also have some Korean fried chicken wings as well. So I'm gonna enjoy this. I put some Caesar salad dressing on it. So I'm gonna do a taste test. I'm gonna taste the Brussels sprout right now with some of the salad. I put the Caesar dressing on it. Mm, it's good. I give it a. I give the salad. It's really good. I give the salad a 10. Try the raisin. The white raisin is good as well. And the tomato right here. Mm, it's really good. I have the seasoned dressing, and I squeeze some lemon on the salad as well. And I'm gonna try the sweet potatoes. Again, this is Yard House. The sweet potatoes are good. They're nice and crispy and sweet. Let's try one of the Korean wings. I give the wings a thumbs up. They're really good too, guys. Mm. Again, this is Yard House in Norwood, Massachusetts. I ordered my meal to go on roadside pickup. It's a beautiful restaurant. It has a bar inside, and well, you can watch the sports entertainment. You can eat inside, dine inside with your family. It's a real nice family setting, as well as a couple setting. If a couple want to go out and have a night out on the town. The food is really good there. I learned about this restaurant through my daughter Sophia. Um, you guys met my daughter Sophia, and probably in one of her own videos. She has her own YouTube channel, and I also recorded my daughter in some of my YouTube videos as well. But forgive me for talking with my mouth full. So I just want to let you guys know about this lovely restaurant right here. So if you want to try it, again, this is the food right here. I hope you can see it. Mm. So right now, I'm going to sign off so I can, not sign off, excuse me. I'm going to say goodbye to you guys so I can enjoy my meal. Stay blessed, stay safe. Again, have a blessed night. And don't forget to give me a comment, thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and most of all, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Have a good night. Bye. Lorraine's Kitchen. I don't know if I mentioned, guys, the salad also have kale. And inside, there's kale in the salad, as well as Brussels sprouts, tomatoes, raisins, croutons. The salad is really delicious. The overall dish, I give the whole dish a 10. Let me hold up so you guys can see it. Those are the wings. That's the lemon wings and the Korean wings and the salad and the sweet potatoes. I have to get myself a drink.